Hey guys, here is your assignment for the week. All right, so it will be using the story Un héroe improbable. What you need to do is you're going to illustrate 4 pages, such as this one, that doesn't have a picture, um, for you to demonstrate your understanding of what that portion of the book is saying. So you can pick any page, any 4 pages that do not have any pictures for you to read that part of the story and then illustrate it as well as you can using my illustrations as a guide. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to give it a new title. Okay, so I called mine Un héroe improbable. You will have to, after reading the story, give it a new title. The last thing you need to do with the story is at the very end, I've taken out the message of this fable. So what you need to do is write one in Spanish as to what you think the message of the story is. And you don't have to illustrate this one. I just need the, the, the message. Okay. All right. So once you have decided which 4 slides you're going to illustrate, you are going to go into a different website. Okay, the website is called Book Creator, and I will put a link on under the assignment. And what you are to do here, this is where you're actually going to create your book. So you can go New Book, and then you can decide which way, which format you would like to work with. Okay, let's say I pick this one. So here's where I would write the title. Okay, so you get to pick what color and so on, what style. Okay, so let me see it done. Okay, you can pick the background of your story. Okay, and then you get to import. So in the next page, okay, so you have 2 pages here. The first page, this is where you would import your pictures, and then underneath is where you would write your story. Okay. Once you're finished with your book, you are going to record yourself reading the book. Okay. And once you're done recording, okay, so yeah. Um, Okay, sorry about that. I'm just learning the program myself. So here, once you've finished recording your book, you can then go to play, okay? And it will play it for you if you wanted to. You can also go to share, and this is where you will publish your book. You will give it a title, okay? And then you will be the author, and then you will publish the book. Now I have it set up so that I will need a link. You will share the link with me, and I will be the only one who is able to listen and to look at the pictures of your book. Okay, I hope you have fun with it. And tomorrow or on Wednesday, I am having a tutorial. So if you are having difficulties, just drop in at the times that I have posted on D2L. Okay, bye.